An ETF for Avalanche is working its way through the system, and normally, that's the kind of news that sends a coin flying. But Litecoin just proved it doesn't always work that way. So before the AVAX ETF decision lands, let's do the smart thing, read the chart. This is an Avalanche price prediction for 2026, the levels, not the hype. Quick context, Avalanche is a high-speed blockchain, and its big idea is subnets, custom chains that companies can spin up for themselves. And lately, real names have shown up. FIFA moved its World Cup ticketing and digital collectibles onto an Avalanche subnet. And a group of financial giants, including Franklin Templeton and VanEck, built a payments network on Avalanche. So this isn't a ghost chain, there's real activity under the hood. Which brings us to the hype. That same firm, VanEck, has filed for a spot Avalanche ETF, and it's sitting in the SEC's queue alongside Cardano and Polkadot, with decisions expected through 2026. An ETF would let big institutions buy AVAX through a normal brokerage. Sounds bullish, but here's the catch. Litecoin already got its ETF, and the price barely moved, still down around 90% from its peak. The lesson? An ETF only matters if there's real demand waiting behind it. A catalyst is not a guarantee, so don't trade the headline, trade the chart. Let's open it. AVAX is trading around $6 after a rough month. It recently broke below the 624 support and tapped a swing low near 569. Right now, it's bouncing from oversold. The RSI dipped near 30, and price is still below all its major moving averages. That's a bearish structure. So the levels that matter. Support, the first floor is around $6. Below that, the real line in the sand is that swing low near 569. Resistance, bulls need to reclaim $6.50 to $7 first, and the bigger wall sits up near 8. And one thing altcoin traders forget, AVAX follows Bitcoin. If Bitcoin loses its key support, these bounces fade fast. Two scenarios and an invalidation. Bullish, AVAX holds $6, reclaims 7, and the ETF decision gives buyers a reason. Then 8 comes into view. Bearish, it loses the 569 swing low and lower levels open up. The invalidation is simple, a clean break below that swing low and the bullish case is gone. If you wanted to trade it, on Margex the pair is AVAXUSD with leverage from 5 up to 50 times. Whatever you use, set your stop loss under the invalidation and keep your size sensible. The ETF is the story, the level is the trade. Quick recap, real adoption, a pending ETF, but a chart that's still healing. $6 is the floor to watch, 569 is the invalidation, and 7 to 8 is what bulls need to reclaim. If the AVAX ETF gets approved, you'll already know the levels that matter. For more price predictions, the playlist is linked below. This is one scenario, not a guarantee. Not financial advice, always manage your risk.